In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Out of the Park Baseball 26 on your PC. If you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find these great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to the Google search bar, and now we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and locate the game Out of the Park Baseball 26. Click on it and scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game starts at €49.99. That is quite expensive. So what we want to do is use the link in the description where it says find game here. Click on that and you will be redirected to this website. Now we will search for the same game on this website. And as you can see, this game starts at €40.45. So that will give you a little discount on the original price, which stated on Steam for €49.99. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading this game. So to proceed with this website, you click on the game, you purchase the game through here for €40.33. After that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow and an activation key to activate this game on Steam, but much cheaper. And that is how you save yourself money. So enjoy playing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!